Hello, so I will teach you on how to build the model. Now when you open SketchUp, go to architectural millimeters. You can also use meter if you want. I'm going to choose millimeters because our drawing is usually in mm. Now let's delete this human. So I've given you a few projects. For example, let me take this project here. Okay, now for all the projects, there is floor plan. I already choose projects that got floor plan. Okay, we'll save the floor plan drawing. For example, this one. So how to draw? Don't worry much on the sizes. Okay, because this project is just to, the task is for you to be able to model. So just estimate the size. You already know how to do that based on your experience in studio. Now let's insert the image. Click import. I already save it in my computer. Over here. Oops, this one. Okay, click import. Now just click at the origin and it will ask you if you please read below here, yeah. If you don't know what to do, read below here. It says pick second point of image and you can just click anywhere. Now, this is not in scale. So what we're going to do is we're going to scale this. Now we know that usually the door would be around maybe 1 meter or 800 or 900. And this bed is usually around 2 meters. So I'm going to choose this bed. I think it's easier. Now, how to scale image? What you can do is go to here, this one, choose tape measure tool, or the shortcut is T. Okay, if you press T at your keyboard but nothing happened, just click this icon here. Okay, the first point, okay, click to create guide, just click here, one. The second point is here, again, just estimate here. Then, don't do anything, go to your keyboard, press 2000, enter. It will ask you, do you want to resize the model? Click yes. Now let's check here until here. It's around 2 meters.